going to shoot a quick video of a house that we're about to stucco rehab. You're going to see the transformation right here with Stucco Kings. 4,000 square foot here in Southwest Ranches, South Florida. As you can see, we still have to finish up some of the lath work here. Corner beads are on. Getting ready to stucco this baby. Bringing this transformation, we're going to be covering this with a beautiful sand float smooth coat finish. It's going to really be dramatic when we're done. It's going to be awesome.